Welcome back. In some sort of concerning news coming in from Maharashtra, RBI has imposed restrictions on a New India Cooperative Bank that is based in Mumbai. Now, what does this mean? The bank has been prohibited from issuing any new loans or allowing withdrawals of deposits due to ongoing supervisory concerns. The eligible depositors are, however, entitled to deposit insurance claims up to rupees 5 lakh as per the deposit insurance scheme. Depositors have been asked to submit their claims with the bank. The bank is also barred from granting or renewing any loans or advances. It cannot make any new investments or accept fresh deposits. It is also not allowed to disburse any payments. This, understandably, has created a lot of panic amongst the customers, with several seen queuing up outside the bank to withdraw their life savings. Here is a ground report.
There's a huge chaos at almost every branch of the New India Cooperative Bank in Mumbai after the RBI imposed the restriction. Now, all the customers have started gathering outside the branch asking for their money. Remember, the restriction says that there's no withdrawal possible for the customers. In fact, only the locker transaction is permitted. So people are advised and allowed to come and withdraw whatever valuables they have kept in the locker. However, they are not able to withdraw any cash, or they are not able to make any cash transaction. After this news which has broken, everybody is in panic, everybody is in a chaotic mood here, and I have also seen few people getting emotional because their hard-earned money is at stake right now. They do not know when would they get the money back, whether they get it or not. Meantime, the Mumbai police is also making an announcement here requesting people to move away from this place and to come here only for the locker transaction, since no cash transaction is allowed. Remember, there is a notice also put up right ahead of the branch. I am here at the Versova branch of New India Cooperative Bank, and this is the visuals. And in fact, this is the scene. The similar scene is reported at every branch, be it Andheri, be it Borivali, be it Bandra, or anywhere in the city. So you can see that Mumbai police is trying to tell people that not to come here, not to come here, move away from this location. At the same time, the people are agitated also because they want answer, they want replies from the bank management. However, the notice says that their money up to 5 lakhs, in fact, their deposit up to 5 lakh is insured with DICGC, and that can be redeemed within 90 days. But people are not sure for the money which is beyond 5 lakhs in this bank. A lot of people have a lot of savings, their hard-earned money, and that is why the people are angry and they are seeking some relief in this matter. They are expecting any official response from the RBI, from the government, or from the branch management itself. So right now, Mumbai police is trying to take control over the situation, but people seems to be emotional and also agitated.